Get our hammer so we can do this video. Hi, hey Shuggy. Hey Shuggy. Hey Shuggles. What you be doing? People are afraid of you. I know it's pretty hard. I know.
What's she doing?
It's okay, Shuggy. It's okay. It's okay, Shuggy.
Are you taking a picture of a dog?
Did you get our hammers yet, Alex?
I'll get them. Give me my hammer. I got it for you. I'm going to carry it out for you.
Okay. So, we're going out on the trampoline. Lukey, I need the hammer. It's for the video.
Hunter, you have to stay off, okay?
Can I walk?
Lucas, you can record.
Yeah, I think we might.
No, but we need to do it first person. Okay, so, there's gonna be 2 videos that's gonna be uploaded. There's one on my perspective of view on the fight, and there's one gonna be on Alex's perspective if he's gonna record, that is. Lukey, it's not a good idea. You're gonna be crying on camera, I guarantee you it.
I won't.
Ah, trampoline.
I promise I
No,
won't.
I want you to stay off anyway.
Okay, are you ready, Alex? Is it recording?
Lucas, don't call. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so we're doing a battle as I said in the beginning, but right now it's gonna be first person. Yes, this is Minecraft. We aren't that big of nerds. We just won this from a hammer smashing thing. Alex, is your fans ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Ah! Ah! Oh, I got him in the stomach. Remember, wherever you're hit is where the limbs are gone. Oh, no. I'm like, no. My legs are gone. Ah, my leg again. Get out of here. Do not let him shake. Do not. Deflected. Got you. I got your foot. Oh no. If you get hit in the head, you're instantly dead. I'm sorry, you have to do this. Eat. No! Ah! 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 I've been killed. And that's all I can record on my phone. My phone's about to die.
Yep. Here, Lucas.